Hi, good morning. My name is Silvana and I will talk about balance of chemical equations. So, a balance equation is an equation for a chemical reaction in which the number of the atom from each element in the reaction and the total charges is the same for both reactants and the products. In other words, I can say that the mass of the charge are balanced from both sides of the reaction. So now I will explain step by step how to do the balance of chemical equations. So here I have my formula, and what we're gonna do now is to put a letter to divide each of our elements, and I will use the letters of the ABC. So let's start. Now that we have our letters to divide our elements, I will circle our numbers are here. That means we have 2 of this element and 7 of this element. So now I'm gonna make an exercise about chemical balance. So here I have my formula, and what I did is to separate my elements with the ABC letter. I have here A, B, and C. So what we're gonna do now is to put here our elements. C, C, and F, 2 points, 2 dots. Okay, so now what I did is to put my elements here, and where I have repeat my elements. So in this case is I have technetium in A and in C, and fluorine in B and in C. Now we have ready this part. Before I want to tell you these numbers of here are very important because it tells us how much we repeat this element. Okay, so that's why we have this order. So what we're gonna do next is to choose the letter that repeat the most. In this case we have the C. So what I did now is that I choose my letter that repeat the most, that was C, and then I choose a value from the C. In this case I put 2, and then what we're gonna do is this. So now that we do that, we have here that C, the value of C is 2. So we want to know what is the value of A. So if A is same as C, so we have the value of A is same as 2. Okay, so the value of A is 2. And then we are gonna want to know what is the value of B. So the value of B, we're gonna take it like this. So 2B same as 7C, and 2B is same as 7,2 because the C we say that is 2. So we're gonna multiply that number. Okay. So as I was saying, we have 7 multiplying by 2, and that's 14. So 2B is same as 14, and then B is the same as 14 dividing 7 because we have here the 7. So it's same as 7, and this is the value of B. So at the end, our final result is really easy to get it because we already have the value of each letter. So that's why I told you that we have to put a letter of the ABC. So first, A is same as 2. So here we have the A. So we are going to put a 2 here. Okay. Then B is same as 7. So here we put a 7. And then C is same as 2. So here we put a 2. And how we know it's correct? Very simple. So we have here 2 TCs, and we have 2 TCs, and then we have 7 fluorine, and then we have 7. And if it is affect this number, but it doesn't matter because we have a 2 here. So they are all the same right now. So our formula is balanced. So that we want to get, and that's it. So maybe it sounds a little complicated. It is not complicated, it's just like longer and you have to pay really good attention at this. And I hope my explanation it worked. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.